Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? I figured today we do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club. It's called Autumn Walk. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, it comes in a very shiny box. It's a round. It's got round because it says right there, round diamonds, and it's a circle, and it's also like a pink color. Okay, and then it says scan me, unlock for 10%. In the back of the box, it tells you how it works, step by step, and what's inside the box, the kit contents. So let's open this baby up. So this is, I think it's an older kit. I'm not sure. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. We will see. Okay. So let's look at the toolkit. Oh, okay, so it's a new one. It's got the new toolkit. Perfect. So you have an orange diamond pen, a power grip. It's for the pen to help with if you have arthritis in your fingers. It's got the wax in a heart-shaped container, and I believe this has, I think it's three in here. Yep. And I love this container, by the way, guys. And it's got a very pretty, look at that, it's a green leaf cover minder. Very pretty. Love the colors. And then it's got some washi tape and two placers. Okay, I just dropped one. I'll pick it up later. If I bend down, I don't think I'll be able to get up, guys. Anyway, there's a tray with a stopper. I love this tray, by the way. Okay, and I'll pick up the, oh, and of course, the resealable bags, just in case you need them. If you're traveling and you don't have the containers, you can put them in the bags. Okay, and the canvas always comes in a plastic bag. It says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. It's just to protect the canvas. I keep the bag, I don't throw it away. Okay, and let's take it out of here. Like I mentioned, I don't think I mentioned the artist. The artist is by Olga Darchuk. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. And she is a Ukrainian artist. Okay, so but let's first look at the canvas. The canvas is, like always, very, very soft like butter, and it's designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay, well, let's get the drills out of here, and it should come with two stickers. I've only seen one, unless it's in the box. No, let's see, is it in the box? Or did I put it outside the box? Yeah. Oh, duh. I already actually put it on the outside. This is the smaller ticket sticker, and I put it on the bottom of the box, and I also number the boxes. Okay. And then this is the big sticker. So there it is. So here you put, it actually says Autumn Walk by Olga Darchuk. You put the starting date, the end date. It's a round. These are the stickers, the individual stickers that you basically put on your container, on your containers. You stick these to your containers. And these are the instructions, step-by-step instructions. Okay. The beautiful drills. And let's look at the canvas. Okay, so I believe it's this way. It tells you here, it's from Diamond Art Club. The name of the artwork, it's called Autumn Walk. It's a 22 by 30 inches, 56 centimeters by 76 centimeters. Olga Darchuk, Diamond Art Club. And in the middle, it tells you take 10 for 10% of your next order. They're on Facebook and Instagram. And then over here, you have a lifetime warranty. I believe you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, a lifetime warranty, free diamond spill insurance, and 10% cashback rewards from every order. Okay, wonderful. All right, let's open up this baby. Absolutely gorgeous. I just thought this was going to be perfect for the fall right now. It's a perfect fall painting. I'm just gonna try to flatten it a little bit. It's been in the box for a while. You could do this, okay, with their canvas. All right, absolutely gorgeous, guys. But on the top, it always tells you, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. It's got two legends, one on the left-hand side, on the upper hand side, and one on the lower right-hand side, okay? The legend basically tells you how many colors it has. So according to this, it's got 48 colors. It tells you the symbols. So the symbols are what you find on the painting where you're gonna put your drills, and the color code is a DMC code, okay? And what else? Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about the artist. Olga is a Ukrainian artist and teacher of painting for children and adults. She believes that art brings people joy, inspiration, and kindness. Other paintings that she has from Diamond Art Club, I believe, are 8. I'm just going to name a couple. One is After the Rain, which I love, Paris, and Saxophone. So I believe there's 8 to 9 paintings, okay? Anyway, so like I mentioned before, I thought this was a perfect fall painting. I just love the colors. If you can see here, it's a girl or a woman. Let's call her a woman, a young lady. She's running down the path, and it's a forest, and it's surrounded by trees. And she's surrounded by trees, and she looks like she's very happy. She's got this beautiful blue dress with a white ribbon around her waist, and she has her arms like she's like yelling, like she's happy. Looks like she's happy. To me, she looks like she's happy. She's got this beautiful long hair, and like I mentioned before, here you have the sunlight coming down. Beautiful sunlight coming down, and then you have all these beautiful trees, and the trees you see lots of yellows, lots of reds, some green, some purple in here. It's just absolutely stunning, guys. Love it. Okay. Oh, well, let's see if it's sticky. Super sticky. Let me bring it up so you can see how clear it is. And like I mentioned before, this one is a round. Okay, that's the sunlight. Let's look at the lady, the young lady. See that? She has her arm stretched out. Bring this up again so you can see that. That's her beautiful dress and her ribbon around her waist. Okay, so let's look at the colors of the drills. And the drills, by the way, guys, are 100% resin for exceptional color. Okay, here, like always, now they actually write down the name of the painting. So if you separate it like I do, and you go back to it, you know that these drills belong to that painting because it's called Autumn Walk. All right, so let me take out the drills and I'll be back. So this is 155. It's purple. Put it right there. 166, it's like a yellow green. 208, purple. 209, a lighter purple. 301, 310, that's it, just one bag of 310. 321, it's a very pretty red orange. 333, another purple. 336, it's like a pretty blue. And 340, another purple. 400, it's a very pretty brown. 402, it's like a peachy color. 415, gray. 433, it's a very pretty light brown. 434, another light brown. 646 is a gray, and 647 is a, like, it looks like a sage, but I could be wrong, I don't know. 606, we have one, it's like a red orange. And 666 is red. We have two of those, 2 bags. All right, and then we have 740. It's an orange, very pretty orange, by the way. 741, it's like a yellow orange, absolutely gorgeous. And then you have 742. As you can see, lots and lots of beautiful fall colors. This painting is perfect for fall. 743, beautiful yellow. 745, 782, very light brown, 783, even a lighter brown than that one. And you have some blues here. 796, a blue. 823, it's like a darker blue, very pretty. 844 is a gray. And 890, a beautiful green. 905 is another green, and 906 is just a lighter green. 938, it's like a chocolate. 939, it's a dark blue. 945, 947, another orange. 948, looks like a peachy color. And 996, very pretty blue. That must be for her dress. And then you have a 3371, it's like a chocolate. I guess we could pick these up. 3776, very pretty, like a peachy apricot color. I don't think I have any more space, so let's move all. As you can see so far, lots of reds, orange, yellows, greens, blues, browns. 3325 is a blue. 3837 is a beautiful purple. 3843, wow, look at that blue, guys. 3856 and 3864 and 3865, I believe, is like a white, where it's a white. Okay, all right. And now it has actually two ABs. So it's got this beautiful blue. It's 137. I'm assuming it's probably for her dress, but I could be wrong. And this is 129. It's a very pretty yellow. It's like a light yellow. All right, so let's go bring back the canvas for the painting, and let's see where the ABs belong. If you look at the legend, okay, let's do 121, 121. I mean, 129 is symbol number 1. Okay, so wherever you see number 1 is that's where this one is going. All right, so let's see. I thought it would be the sunlight. Okay, but okay, I see it. There is actually some in the sunlight. Right here, ones, lots of ones here. Oh, all these are ones actually. Any down here on the trees? Nope, it looks like it's just on the sun coming down. Okay, so that's going to be beautiful, guys. Can you imagine? All this here is going to be shiny right there, that shiny yellow, which is stunning. And then we have 137, which is this beautiful blue, and it's going to be symbol 2. So wherever you see number 2, okay, I see some up here. There's a little there. So let's move the painting. Aha, it's like I said, it's on her dress, on her beautiful dress. So you got twos, all twos here. They're sprinkled, but it looks like it's all on her dress. So that's going to be actually beautiful too, because her dress is going to be super shiny. And then of course the sun coming down is going to be super shiny. So, and if you want to add more ABs or sparklers or crystals, you can. I don't know. I think I would leave it this way. You don't want to add too much sparkle, but I think this is just perfect. I absolutely love this painting. Well, anyway, so go check out this artist. She's got, like I mentioned, I think 8 or 9 paintings, and they're all beautiful. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you. Bye-bye.